Hello, welcome to Money with Mark Albert. Really appreciate you on my channel. Today we came to a very special place because I have a very special announcement to tell you. And before I do that, this park's beautiful. It's in the city of Brampton. If you know which park this is or the intersection it's near, just write it down below and I'll let you know if you're right. But it's a beautiful park to visit, take a walk with your family. So this is the announcement. As many of you would know, last year I published this book on personal finance. It's called Ready, Reset, Refocus. And today the publisher, they have they've got it as a downloadable version, and you could get it on the Apple iBooks store. You could get it on KOBO. You could also get it on Amazon Kindle. And to make it simple for you, if you wanted to get it, it's actually $9.99. I'm going to put the links for each of those below on this video. So just click on the links to go to the store that you would desire to get that. I know some of you wanted to get that. So listen, really appreciate your loyalty to my YouTube channel. Any comments you have, anything I can do to help you, please let me know. Have yourself a wonderful day, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.